is because the Japanese used this as their hideout. So the structure was original. 1942, the World War II was started, but 1940s pa lang, the-start nagkalo ng mga Filipino. Because the Filipinos were captured and they brought here in Davao from different places. Ito sila ikan, from Luzon, Visayas. And then 2.5 years silang gakalot with no rest and no food. And the tunnel was so long. This is originally 7 kilometers. But now, it's not accessible na. It's because the government, ginbaligyan naman nila, no? So, lalahin ang owner. And then some owners, they put houses na sa babaw, nagawa ng mga buildings, so they already covered it and filled it in with the soil. So, giniha, stone is just sir, ma'am. This is called adobe. And then the walls, the ceilings, and the sides, original yun na siya. So, ginkampiran nila, yan pa yung sa loob lang sila. So, niya ito ang kwarto. Picture mo 3 months, sir. This was the prayer room before, and then the other side was the meeting area. So, this gold bars and golden Buddha, we just put this as picture purposes. But this is not the exact location where they found the gold bars. But there is a real treasure din nakuha. It's Cambodian gold, ma'am and sir. It's 8 tons of gold bars and 12 inches golden Buddha. Cambodian Buddha. Ginikawat sa mga Hapon sa nasod sa Cambodia. Kanya diri nila naibilin. Nangamatay naman ang mga Japanese diri. It's because sa kagutom. Yung mga Pinoy nangamatay. Wala pa naman ang gera kahit tungod sa kakapoy.
Manila. Manila.
Sa Manila.
Tagalog.
Tagalog pala to, sir.
Tagalog.
Yung Tagalog, I'm sorry. So you don't understand the rest of my,
sige lang, okay lang. Start.
Okay. From start tayo?
Sige, okay na.
Sige, dito siya.